you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hey y'all, welcome back. I am back with another hair tutorial, and today I'm working with WOWAFRICAN Hair Company. They sent me over their Sienna unit. Sienna is a balayage brown wavy textured wig, and y'all, the first thing I noticed is the ends. I absolutely love how soft the hair is, and especially the ends. Y'all know sometimes with colored hair the ends be a hit or miss, but it's definitely a hit. The lace on this wig is a HD lace, and it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Also, the lace is a 13 by 6.5, so it does have a little bit of extra freedom for styling and parting. Inside the cap, you'll find these silicone non-slip grips on the sides and at the very back, in case you want to wear her glueless, as well as a removable elastic band for that extra secure fit. Now that we got the details of this wig out of the way, let's get into the install. Y'all, do not laugh at me, okay? I did not prep my hair or braid my hair under here, so my head might be looking a little big, but we are gonna make it work. All right, guys, so I'm going ahead and I am trying this wig on right out of the box. I like to do this for you guys just so that you guys can see exactly what the wig will look like if you ordered it, what it will look like right out of the box. And like I said previously in the video, this hair is so soft to the touch. And by the way, guys, this hair is 180% density. I absolutely love the color and I love the lace on this wig. So let's go ahead and install it. So first thing first, guys, I like to pull my ears out just to make sure that my ears fit perfectly around the wig. It just makes it look a lot more natural when you have your ears out when you're wearing the wig. I went ahead and I sprayed down the front of the wig with my lace adhesive spray. And I'm just combing that product through that got on the hair and then pressing the lace down with my rat tail comb and my finger. And once that lace is exactly where we want it to be, I am going in with my blow dryer just to make sure that it is dry completely and it dries a little bit quicker. Once that's done, guys, I was looking at my hair and I'm like, y'all, this hair is really bomb. I cannot wait to curl it. That is all I kept thinking when I was trying this wig on. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, tack it down, and then go in with my blow dryer. Okay, y'all, now that that wig is on and it's nice and secure, I'm just going to go ahead and comb through that hair. Originally, this is a wavy textured wig. If you see it on the site, it's definitely like a wavy texture. There's no real curls. I did want to show you guys what the hair looked like up close. As always, y'all, I am going in with a little bit of my BioSilk oil. And I'm adding that into my hands, rubbing it together, and I'm going to rub that all throughout the hair. This is just going to give the hair a little bit of shine without weighing the hair down. That's why I love this oil, y'all, because it does not weigh the hair down or make the hair feel super heavy. And y'all know, the top of my hair, I've been talking about it, my hair underneath is not flat at all. So it might be a little bit of a challenge to get my hair flat at the top, but no worries. I went in with my wax stick and now I'm going in with my hot comb just to press it down and get that hair as flat as I can at the top. So now, guys, I am going in and I am going to curl the hair a little bit. I want to give like that wavy look that it has on the site. The waves are a little bit looser, but I do want mine to be just a tad bit more defined. So I'm going in with my curling iron and I'm taking big sections and I'm going to do like some big loose curls.
Change, but I noticed the end. You on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't go left but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there.
Y'all, I did pull all the hair to the front. And as you can see, I did about 10 big curls. So like 5 on both sides. And this is pretty much what the hair looks like. I am going through and I'm combing it now because I don't want the curls to be tight. I want them to be wavy. I'm combing through the hair and just making it a little bit more uniformed. I love how this hair already comes with like the face framing layers in the front, because y'all know me. If it didn't come with layers, I probably would have layered it myself. So kudos to you, WOWAFRICAN. I love these natural face framing layers that you added to the front. It looks so good. So guys, I am almost done, but y'all know I have to pull out the iron. The top of my head is doing something that I don't like it to do. And y'all know what I say in all my videos. I do not like a big wig. And y'all see how my wig is going up like that? Y'all see how it's going up like that? That is a no-go for me. So I'm going in with my iron. And don't worry, y'all, I have a separate iron for my clothes. This is literally just my hair iron. You guys can see just how flat that iron got the top of my hair. This is how I like it to look. So I'm going in next with a little bit of my concealer and I'm just defining that part a little bit more. And as you guys can see, it looks super cute. I do have somewhere to go tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got dressed. Tonight I decided to wear this cheetah print blazer that I've had in my closet for years, and I think I've only wore it one time, so I decided to bring it back. But y'all, let me know what y'all think about this hair. Shout out to WOWAFRICAN. As always, the hair is bomb, the quality is amazing, and the color is just super cute. I will make sure to link all the details to this wig as well as WOWAFRICAN Wig Company's hair website down below in my description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.